All right, June 15th. Wanted to do my first patch update for the year. Want to show everyone how the watermelons are doing this year. So we're just about to that point where we're starting to set fruit. I'm pretty happy with all these plants. So I have 9 plants, but I planted them in sets. I put 3 sets of 3, about a week apart. So pretty good. The biggest thing I've been bad on recently, we actually fortunately had a nice rain today, but I've been getting some burn from the heat. You can see some of these just are cooking. That's even on the pine straw and fabric underneath. Really, we're seeing this across the board on most of these plants, and I'm kind of getting this snaking habit from the burn. You can see there's no leaves left on it. Some plants, some plants are more bothered by it than others. I mean, I had, there's a tip that burnt. I mean, we've been in mid-90s pretty much every day. So it's, I do need to fix some of this pine straw, but here's another one. But I don't know, it's weird. Certain parts of the plant will act up like that, and then the other ones look totally fine. But I'm gonna be putting shade cloth up and finishing this pine straw. Pretty good looking plants, so I'm happy with them. Planted 1 week earlier than last year. And they've really, for a week difference, they've really grew a lot more than I thought they would in that extra week. So yeah, so pretty happy with them. They're all grafted, all 9. I think the shade cloth will help because it's just getting too hot up here on the fabric and pine straw. But we'll be setting some fruit in the next couple days. Well, pretty soon here. So I've been eyeballing some contenders. So well, thanks for watching. We'll check back in a little bit, probably about 2 weeks.